So in this video we are going to see how to install XAMPP or XAMPP for your operating system successfully. So let's go. We can simply search XAMPP or XAMPP in your Google search bar. So you can see here is its official website called apachefriends.org. Simply click on it. Scroll down. There are 3 available options to download XAMPP according to your operating system. So operating systems available for XAMPP installation are Windows, Linux and operating system X. You can download according to your operating system. So I need to download XAMPP for my operating system, which is Windows. Simply click on it and wait for a few seconds. So I want to tell you few things about XAMPP, like what is exactly XAMPP. So XAMPP is an abbreviation for cross-platform for Apache, MySQL, also known as MySQL, PHP and Perl. And it basically allows you to build WordPress sites offline or simple websites if you don't have any hosting. So you can use XAMPP to build your website on your local web server on your computer. This is very simple and lightweight web server, and it work on all operating systems: Windows, Linux, Unix and Mac, etc. So we can see here my XAMPP Windows downloading file has been started. It's telling me to wait for 20 minutes. So I have already downloaded its setup. So you have to wait for few minutes. Here is its setup, XAMPP for Windows. Click on it to install it. Yes. It will take few seconds to process. Ignore and click on OK. So here is its setup. Click on next. You can choose the options you want. I am simply clicking on next. From here you can choose your drive where you want to download XAMPP. So I will suggest you to choose some other drive. I am choosing C. You can choose whatever drive you want to choose and then click on next. Uncheck this. I don't want to learn about Bitnami. Next. And installation has been started. We have to wait for few minutes. It's unpacking the files. We have to wait for few more minutes so that the setup can complete its installation. So after the installation has been completed, you can simply go in your computer search bar and search XAMPP control panel. Click on it. So here is the XAMPP control panel. We have to start two options which are Apache and MySQL. Click on start, and if these options turn green, that means Apache and MySQL has been started successfully. So here are the ports these options are using. Apache is using port number 80 and 443, and MySQL is using port number 3306. So we can go in our browser and check either it's started successfully or not. So go in your browser and type in this bar localhost slash php my admin. So if this page is opened successfully, that means your XAMPP has been installed successfully and it's working good. So this is our panel where we can create databases. Another way to check admin panel is simply click on this option admin. This will open the admin panel. There we go. So there are both ways. You can type your address in the address bar, or you can simply click on these admin buttons to go on their admin panel. So if you like the video, do subscribe my channel, and if you are having trouble in installing any software, you can comment down your software. Thank you for watching.